Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Temu haul. So without further ado, you guys see a wig cap on my head. It's because some of the products that I got were two wigs. Now I slightly remember what one of them looks like. The other one I have not gone on my order, to be very honest with you guys. So I don't know what the hopefully you guys can hear me. I put my fan on because it's hot. So hopefully my fan is not too loud. Alright, so this is just the wig cap holder to hold the wig. Hopefully it's not bended. I don't know if you guys can even see it. But it's supposed to, it looks like you're supposed to open it, and it's supposed to open up. It shows you like the 5 steps. So it comes like this. So this is like a wig stand for whenever I need to hold my wigs. I'm just going to quickly open it. But I think you're just supposed to assemble the pieces until, like, I'm not going to do it right now, but you assemble the pieces and then it's going to kind of come around like a circular thing, and then you put the wig on it. So I'll leave that down below, because I used to have like a wig head, like an actual head, but my wigs would keep on falling off. And I wear wigs like here and there. It's like weird seasons where I would wear wigs, if that makes sense. And I'm going to go back to braids soon, so, I mean, yeah. But when I want to wear a wig, then, you know, I have wigs in rotation. Anyway, so these, really quickly, I don't know why it sounds like something's broken. I got 2 of these, like, Invisalign Case new ones for when I get my aligners, because the one that I originally got, my original case is just so dirty, it's nasty, so I'm like, I just buy a new one. So I saw that Temu had these. It's just black. And also what I like about these, unlike the original Invisalign Case, these have like a ventilation open system. So like at least the water or moisture or anything from your aligners, there's some type of ventilation happening. So this is what it looks like. Like I showed you guys, this is the part that comes like, and then inside it comes with this, like, hold on, you can unclip it. I just did it and I can't, okay. And then I guess this is to help you lift up your aligners. I normally just use my fingers, but this is actually a good tool. You can just lift, I think that's what this is for. And then I'm assuming this is to keep inside your aligners clean. I didn't really look through the box. But yeah, I just got 2 of them, so I have, once this one gets dirty, I have something else in rotation, because I was just tired of the one that I currently had. But yeah, this is the box, just to show you guys. This came in this like green box. Into what you guys really been waiting for. So this, I think, yeah, I got a 5-pack wig, like the wig caps, like the one I have, because I only seem to have 1 left now, so I just got a pack of those. I mean, should I show it to you guys, I guess, real quick? I think, oh, I got all light brown. I thought I got darker brown. It's okay, though. I'll make it work. Oh, no, it's a mixture. So, it's one side is dark brown and one is light brown. But it's fine. I don't know if you guys, you can't really tell. But it's 2 colors in here. Or it's 2 tone. No, it's 2 colors in here. Well, I have like 10 wig caps still. So, I mean, and I think it was a very affordable price too for like 10 of them. Let's get into the wigs. Okay, so let's start with the first wig. I only got 2 wigs. I'm not those YouTubers who buy like 10 wigs. No, we're not doing all of that. Especially because it's Temu quality wig. So this wig is the headband wig. I know because I see a headband in there. This is the headband it came with. It's a cute headband. I have so many headbands, not even funny, so I need to wear them more. But I did just throw out a few headband wigs anyway because they were, quality was just bad. They did give a wig cap with it as well. I generally don't really like these, only because I feel like it pokes when you use the clip. Sometimes it pokes at the clips. That's why I generally don't like these wig caps specifically. But it does come with a wig cap, so just to note that. You get a headband, you get a wig cap, and then let's get into the actual hair. So I think I got like a curly, I don't remember how many inches. I'll link everything down below. But as usual, as normal, it comes with the little net when you unbox it. And then the paper tissue thing. So this is inside the wig. Of course, the headband. Now, I will say this is a good unit. Like, I didn't want something long specifically for the headband wig, because I know in the past I've had super long ones, but I want ones long enough that I could, like, put it back if, like, for example, I were to go to the gym or something. This would be a good wig. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and try it on. The good thing about this wig is I don't have to cut any lace or anything, because it's a headband wig, so it's very easy. And that's what I think the beauty of headband wigs are. But here's the back. I think this is like a mixture of something brown black, or I think it's fully black. I don't remember. But this is what it looks like. And I like the curls. It's really soft. That's my first like thing. I don't know about the shedding yet, but we'll get into that. So I need to put this back a little bit though. It's a little too high. But yeah, this is one thing that I missed about headband wigs, is that the easiness of it, because literally all you gotta do is put it on your head, wrap the headband. And with this one too, sometimes I feel like depending on how tight the wig is, you don't even need the clips. That's what I feel like with the headband wig, as opposed to like other like lace frontal wigs. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the back. Yeah. The headband wigs is not weird, but you gotta play around with it, because like right now it looks like there's no set parting in the hair, if that makes sense. So sorry, why is so much hair in my face? All right, I just want to see how it would react with the brush. Like, what's the shedding situation like? If you want to go, well, I will say, sorry, I mean to smell it, but you know sometimes you get wigs and they smell like it has that horrible smell. It's not that bad, because I have gotten wigs in the past, and you know, it has that weird smell. You gotta wash them. I generally try to wash them, but it's not always like right then and there. Who doesn't like the perfect curl anyway, so I would have probably brushed it out. Of course, add mousse and all that stuff, but I'm just giving you guys what it looks like. No product, right out the package, a little fluffing, but so I actually just wanted to try the headband. Let's just try it out, because they gave it to me. It's one of those cross headbands, crisscross headbands. I don't know if you would call it. Now you don't see it too much, but it's not wide enough, if that makes sense. So I can still see the black lining. Maybe if I push it back a little bit, the black part of the headband, if you get what I'm saying. It's a cute headband. Even if I don't use it for the wig, I can use it for, what do you call this? For like my regular hair as well. So this is cute though. Alrighty, let's move on to the next wig. I feel like this is about to be a long video for no reason, but I'm also filming for TikTok. Alright, so final wig. Now, this is a little bit different than what I normally have in a wig. I have had color wig. I still do have color wigs. But, this is the packaging. This one didn't give any, like, extra accessories. It is like a lace front curly wig. Now, this was the wig that I said I was going to wear for my birthday this year. Here's my thing. Does anybody know what the TSA rules are on wigs? Because you know how they have the metal clips? I'm scared to wear it, and then, you know, I'm scared to wear it, and my wig go beep, beep, beep. So, if you guys know, like, or my last resort is to, like, wear my natural hair and then just put the wig on when I'm there and then put my wig back in my bag. That's the second resort. But anyway, this is a really pretty wig. I like the color, so as always, this one also came with the little net situation. Now this is multi like colored, as you guys can see. It has the paper as usual. It kind of gives me crimped, kind of looking like the other wig that I had, but a little bit different. This is the inside of the wig. It's like a blayage, is that how you call it? But this is very different for me because of the colors. You know what I mean? It's like blonde and brown. It's a lot. It's a lot. I don't feel like everybody can pull this off. I don't know if I'm going to be the one to pull it off. I will say, let's talk about it. The lace thing is not all around here, so that makes my life a little easier because I hate cutting lace. I'm telling you right now, I'm not a, like I said, this is not a expert wig channel. This is a very simplistic wig channel when I do wear the wigs, so this is very easy to cut. It's literally just like 1, 2, 3 and we done. Like, I do like that you see that little layer is not too much. I may have to cut a little bit more right here, but other than that, like, very easy. Now, some people will go into, like, doing all these extra stuff as far as, putting concealer, yada-da-da-da. I'm not wasting you guys' time. I can do that off camera. I just want to show you guys how the wig looks because 9 times out of 10, I'm wearing the wig how it looks in the packaging with very minimal alterations. If anything, the alterations is me, like I said, if it's a curly wig, normally me wetting it and putting what do you call this, mousse on it. Other than that, I'm not doing too much, you know what I mean? Very simple. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'm trying to put this, assemble this properly. Alright, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know, maybe it's a little bit too much. Now, I don't know if I show you guys, it does have the clips in the front. I don't know. The color just doesn't give the color that I saw on the picture, and I don't like it. Like, I'm very much seeing if I could return this, although I cut the lace off. So I don't know if I can, but I don't really like this. It's giving, I don't know, like a cracker or something, a graham cracker. I don't like it on me at all. And also the security of the hair is like, the back has no clip, so you just hope that it stays down type of thing. But I don't know, I did not expect it to look like this. Like, I feel like if this was fully blonde, maybe I would have been invested, or the brown color, but this, like, I don't know, it just doesn't rub me the right way. I think this is like 20 something inches. But this is absolutely not. I don't know what this is, but I don't like it on me. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. I feel like I saw a different description online than what I'm seeing on me, and honestly, I do not like it. I feel like I look like a graham cracker. Like, let's be for real. I'm gonna see if I can return it. I don't know if they're gonna allow me to. If they don't, I mean, I could always give it away to somebody. But I've never actually, this is the first time I bought something from Temu that I'm actually returning. I've never bought something from Temu and be like, oh, I'm returning it. So that says a lot to you guys, to be very honest. But this is what the wig is looking like. I'm sorry, I just can't do it. I don't like it. It looks like a mess on me. It's just not giving what it's supposed to give. Kudos to people who looks good on, but it doesn't look good on me. Absolutely not. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to comment down below. I do have a coupon code for the people who are new to Temu. I think this is a thing for me to stick to hair that is, if I'm going to do color, just one color, not multiple colors, because this is not giving what it's supposed to give, at least for me. Alright, bye!